Today, let's make a delicious and comforting sabzi with simple spices. This curry is also low in calories and good for diabetic people. Let's get started with Lobiya Masala Curry. Here's 1 cup of lobia beans or black-eyed beans. Ideally, you should wash the lobia beans and soak them overnight. This is important to make them easily digestible. Lobia beans are helpful for weight loss as they are low in fat and high in antioxidants. Strain the excess water out. Look at them, they're nicely puffed. Add them to a cooker. Add some water and a pinch of salt. Cover this and cook for 4 to 5 whistles. These are done. Now in a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, I am adding 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, half a teaspoon of hing, 2 dried Kashmiri red chillies, 1 finely chopped onion, and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute this till the onions turn golden. Now I am adding half a teaspoon of haldi, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala, 2 teaspoons of dhania powder, 1 teaspoon amchur powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, and puree of 3 tomatoes. Cook this on a low flame till the masala starts releasing oil. To enhance the taste of the gravy, I am adding 3 teaspoons of curd. Let this simmer for some time. Add salt to taste and the boiled lobia beans. Mix this well to coat the beans in the curry. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Remove the lid and cook on a low flame for another 2 minutes. Time to serve. A wholesome bowl of Lobiya Masala Curry is ready. Garnish with some chopped coriander leaves and serve it with some hot rice or chapatis and enjoy. Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.